Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 15th October 2025, Nifty index opened positive, and after crossing 25,300 in the initial tick, it failed to hold at higher zones and slipped lower for most part of the day. It gave up the gains of the previous two sessions and fell near 25,050 zones. It witnessed some recovery towards the end and finally closed near 25,150 after a roller coaster day of tug of war between the bulls and bears. It formed a bearish candle with longer lower shadow on the daily frame, which indicates buying is intact at support levels despite the profit booking at higher zones. India VIX was up by around 1.3% to 11.1 levels. Nifty put call ratio decreased to 0.91. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,700 to 25,700, while immediate range could be in between 24,900 to 25,400 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,059 crores, while DIIs or buyers were 3,024 crores. FII's index long-short ratio has been hovering around 7% from the last few sessions. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,050 for the next up move towards 25,350 and 25,450 levels, while support can be seen at 24,900 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 56,250 for the next up move towards 57,000 levels, while support can be seen at 56,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in MCX, Wipro, Max Healthcare, KEI Industries, Laurus Lab and TVS Motors, while some weakness could be seen in Dixon Tech, DMart, Uno Minda, OFSS, Gale, Sale and Havells. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.